As usual, my ingredients are ready. So this is grated garlic and ginger, chili flakes, black peppercorns, salt. This is spring onions and rosemary. I have my vegetables here: sweet corn, carrot, garden peas, and then my 4 cups of rice, and my herbs: oregano, basil, thyme, turmeric, and my olive oil. To start off, I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil already in the saucepan, waiting for it to heat up. The next thing is to add my grated ginger and garlic. So literally add all the fresh herbs. After 5 minutes, I'll add this one. Next, I will add vegetables. This is lamb stock cube. I like the lamb stock cubes because they taste better than the rest. So I'll add 2 of that. And then 1 vegetable stock cube. I've got turmeric. This is what would actually give me the yellow color for the yellow rice. So I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoons of the turmeric. Next thing, I'll add my rice. So at this point, you need to taste your sauce to make sure the taste and the salt is just the way you want it. Finally, I will add hot water. This now needs to be on low heat. Our yellow rice is coming up nicely. This is one of the simplest ways I cook my rice. It just saves so much time, energy, and money, because it means that I don't have to make another sauce to eat the rice with it, you know. So smart way of eating, and it's healthy as well. This chicken is from my seasoning video. It's been in the freezer for about 2 weeks now, and it's ready to be grilled. I'll cover this with foil, and then it will go into the oven for about an hour. The oven has been preheated for about 10 minutes. That's our yellow rice, fully ready. Next thing is to serve this for lunch. So lunch is served, ready to be eaten. And this is our lovely yellow rice with chicken to go with Ghana black sauce, popularly known as shito. You can literally eat this yellow rice alone without any sauce because of the way I made it. And actually the idea is that I don't want to spend another time or money making a sauce. However, there are some people who still want some side sauce. Even when they're having jollof rice, they're like, I need some sauce, okay? If you want to know how I prepared the Ghana black sauce, there is a video of that on this YouTube channel, Married with a Life. If you're watching from Peace Amewowor YouTube channel or Kitchen Romance YouTube channel and the various Facebook pages, you can find the video of how I prepared the Ghana black sauce. The chicken, how I marinated the chicken, the seasoning and everything is also on the page, the Facebook page and the YouTube channel, so you can find it and get some inspiration. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Leave a comment. I really would like to know what you like about this video. Remember, this is just one method. I've got about 5 different ways that I make yellow rice, and hopefully in the course of the weeks and month ahead, I'll be posting videos of some of the other ways that I make yellow rice. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notifications bell for updates on all that we do on this channel. Also share this video with your friends to help us to keep equipping singles and couples for purpose and better marriage. God bless you all. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.